Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Photos app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Following that, tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. And to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on them. To delete the rest, select this bin at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, sorry I misclick. All of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!